I try and spend as much time as possible exploring my home country. The ever-changing conditions keep me constantly captivated by this environment. Rain, wind, sun and hill, you can pretty much get it all in one day. The Kärcher OC3 is a great addition to my kit. It weighs so little I could take it with me on longer adventures, and it's small enough to store in the boot of my car on one-day hikes. The battery lasts 15 minutes at full power, so I can go on multiple hikes between charges. It works at the perfect pressure to clean my walking boots, but it's also animal friendly. With the OC3 I know I can go anywhere and have an easy solution to keeping my gear clean and ready for my next adventure.